Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I wand curl my hair. Obviously, my hair is straight right now, and I did get it straightened like 3 days ago. But that was supposed to be a whole video in itself, but I was too shy to record. So I have like some random clips of me at the hair salon that I'll insert right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to the hair salon to get my hair done. I'm going to a Dominican hair salon called Salon 809, I believe so. If that's incorrect, I will put the title right here on the screen, but I believe it's Salon 809. I'm going to show you guys what my hair is looking like before I go, because it's really a hot mess, and it only really looks like this because it's just been in a bun. I washed it 2 days ago and I just kept it in a bun so it's all stretched out and everything. But honestly, I'm just so tired of my curly hair, and I want to straighten my hair. The weather's like nice again, and I just want my hair to be straight. But yeah, hopefully I can record when I get there. I called to see if I had to make an appointment, and they said no, I could just walk in. I should have just asked over the phone if I could record. I'll show you guys what my hair looks like. So this is my hair right now. It's like, I mean, it looks bad because like I said, it's just been in a ponytail, but my curls aren't bad at all. I probably do need a little trim, although I don't know if I'm gonna actually let them trim my hair, because I don't know if I trust them to do that. So yeah, I don't really know if I trust them to trim my hair. I don't really know. I'll see what it feels like when I go in, but I'm just scared that they're gonna cut like 5 inches off when I probably only need like ½ an inch or something. So we'll see when we get there. If anything, I'll probably just have them blow it out and like curl it a little bit or something so the ends don't look that bad. But yeah, let's go. Okay guys, I am done, and I literally got no footage of me getting my hair done with my actual camera. I have like some random awkward clips from my iPhone, but I was too like shy and awkward to like pull out my camera, and I didn't even ask, so I didn't want to be awkward about it. But my hair is laid. My hair has not been this freaking straight in so long. Like, what the hell? It is literally so straight. I feel like I look so weird. I don't know, it's weird, but it's so soft. My ends don't look that bad. She flipped them a little bit. But yeah, I have like awkward little clips that I'll insert. I don't even know if this is going to be like a whole video, because it's probably going to be like 4 minutes long, but my hair is so pretty. So yeah, Salon 809, it was cool. It was really nice inside. I can link their Instagram down below if you're in the area. I think it's like in the Capitol Heights area, Maryland, so check it out. It's a Dominican hair salon. But yeah, yo, I can't believe how flat they literally got my hair. Alright, so I'll see you guys when I get home. But today I'm just going to use this wand curl to do some curls in my hair. And yeah, I put some dry shampoo in it because it was kind of oily already here. So I'm just going to use this curler from Conair. It's super old. I don't even know where this is from, but that's what I'm going to use today. And yeah, I'm obviously not in my regular place. I'm at my sister's house. So yeah, I'm just going to get started. Jeez. So I'm just going to work from the back and then work my way forward.
It hurts.
I burned myself.
You burned yourself?
Yeah. This is a look. This looks like it could be a cute hairstyle, doesn't it? Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm just running my fingers through them a little bit to separate them so they're not so spiraled, I guess. But yeah, this is the final look. I have so much hair. I haven't wand curled my hair in a long time, but it looks really good. It only took me probably like 30 to 40 minutes. This is what the back looks like. So yeah, I'm in my pink sweats. So this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And honestly, this no heat thing is like out of the window. I have a feeling I'm probably going to keep straightening my hair the rest of this year. And like, I'll just start the no heat thing again next summer. Not next summer, next year, because I don't know. I've been really wanting to straighten my hair lately and I think it looks good. So I will see you guys all in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.